Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's me again on your screen. Please don't scroll because these could help you. These new Ndebele words that I'm going to be teaching you today, they might help you. It might not be today, but maybe tomorrow or somewhere in life, they might help you. Please do watch this video so that you can know, even if you are not Ndebele, you can know these words by head, because Patricia Ethel Umakajeni, your Ndebele coach, I am here to educate you for free. And guess what? Today we are going to be doing days of the week from Monday to Sunday. We are going to be doing days of the week, and you are going to get this in your head, and don't let it go because you might need to use it one day. Surprise people, and maybe they ask and say, today, what's the day today? Surprise your friend who thinks that you don't know Ndebele. When they ask, what's the day today? Say, Umvulo. Surprise them. And when they ask you where you got it from, tell them that there is a Ndebele coach, Umakajeni, who is here to educate people. Those who are interested in knowing Ndebele, those who want to write homework, everyone is welcome on this page. So we are going to be doing the days of the week from Monday to Sunday. So Monday is Umvulo, Tuesday is Olwesibili, Wednesday is Olwesithathu, Thursday is Olwesine, Friday is Olwesihlanu, Saturday is Umgqibelo. Yes, you got it right. And now I'm going to repeat only the Ndebele side, the Ndebele days of the week from Umvulo to Isonto. So we have Umvulo, Olwesibili, Olwesithathu, Olwesine, Olwesihlanu, Umgqibelo, Isonto. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please make sure that you share, follow, subscribe, and comment. Don't hesitate to comment on something that you need to learn on, because I'm here for that. I'm here to educate you on any Ndebele word that you might need to know. Thank you. See you on our next lesson. Bye.